As a conscious human being, it's safe to assume that most of us, if not all, experience suffering in one form or another. So, it's appropriate to ask you this: haven't you suffered enough? The overthinking, the regret, the disappointment, the feeling that no matter what you do, you are overwhelmed and even crippled with negative feelings. You clicked this video for a reason, maybe out of desperation. I hope not. You are willing to try to look at life, at your life, from a healthier lens. So, let me tell you something, few people will share it with you. You suffer because you resist reality. You believe life should be different. You believe people should treat you better. You believe you shouldn't feel pain, so you numb it, and by doing that, you numb a great deal of joy. And every time reality disagrees with your expectations, you suffer. The Buddhists call this clinging. But here is the simple truth: pain is part of life, but suffering is optional, because suffering is just pain plus resistance, and the moment you stop fighting reality, the suffering starts to fade. Think of a wave in the ocean. If you fight it, it will drown you. If you float and move with it, it carries you. So, how do you stop suffering? Start here. Stop saying why me and start saying what now. Breathe. Really breathe. Notice this moment. Feel your feelings fully, even the painful ones, and let them pass through you. Drop the story in your head, the story that says you are broken or it's unfair. That story is the prison. And finally, forgive yourself. You are just a human. You are learning. Every moment you have a choice. Keep resisting or let go. Keep clinging or open your hands. You can stop suffering, not tomorrow, not someday, but now. The only thing standing in the way is you.